So, the name Revit, I've heard the story that Revit actually comes from the combination of two words, revise and instantly. So, to revise instantly, because if you modify a Revit model anywhere within the model, it'll update it, all of the other views and plans everywhere else instantly. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to show you how to use the project browser here to open a few different views. So right here, currently we have a 3D view, which you can click on the little house in our quick access toolbar for that. And then I'm going to open a level 1 floor plan. And I'm going to scroll down in the project browser and open an east elevation. And then I'd also like to see, let's see, I would like to see, scroll back up to the floor plans. I'm going to open the site plan. And lastly, I would like to open a schedule, and we have a planting schedule, so I will open that. So now I have 5 different views. Perhaps actually, I just want to see 4 at one time. So as you can see in the canvas here, we have 4, or actually 5 tabs open. And if I'd like to see them all at once, 4 would fit more clearly than 5. So I'm going to close the site plan for right now by clicking on that X. And then I'm going to go up to the ribbon and click on the View tab. And slide over to the right on the end, you see this button called Tile Views. And I'm going to click that, and then we will see all of our views open, but they don't quite fit on my screen. So I'm going to click into this east elevation and onto our navigation panel here. If I down-click the arrow all to fit, I click zoom all to fit it, it's already set at that, and so nothing is happening. But if I click the little icon, it will fit all of my views into the smaller window viewports that I now have open. So now you can see the east elevation in the bottom left corner, the east elevation being on the right side of this floor plan here, and then you can also see the east elevation in the 3D view over here. So for instance, these windows that you see on the lower level, these 4 windows in a row, if I click into the 3D view and I roll, excuse me, my mouse button in while just sort of hovering over those windows, I can zoom into that area as well. And so you can see those same 4 windows in these 2 views. And if I come up into the level 1 view, I can also zoom into those windows. You can see the same little couch appearing in the 3D view as you do in the floor plan here. And these numbered windows here are the same windows. So if I go into my floor plan and I select one of those windows, it actually is selecting it in all of the views of the model, because this is one continuous model that's integrated and combined. So if I have that selected, you can see in my properties panel, it's telling me that I have a single window selected. And then if I wanted to say go and modify the width of this window, I'm going to change it from 1500 millimeters wide and make it only 500 millimeters. So that would be 1/3. And then when I press enter, let's see, press enter. Yes, it should change the width of that window on all of the views. So you can see that that one window, now there's 3 at this equal size and shape, and then there's that one very skinny window. And again, in the floor plan, we have that one skinny window with a little gap of a wall between, and in the elevation, the same. And so I'm going to press Control Z to undo, but it's just nice to see how everything is integrated.